Once upon a time, Mike, a struggling artist, embraced his creativity to overcome financial challenges. He created digital art and e-books, pouring his passion into every creation. Initially doubted, he persevered, setting up an online store. Mike marketed his digital products through social media, captivating a niche audience. Positive reviews spread like wildfire, boosting sales. Mike also created funnels and lead pages and started capturing people's email addresses. He integrated GetResponse autoresponder into his marketing system and started marketing via his autoresponder service. He made $10,000 in 3 weeks selling his product via his social media and email marketing. Mike's success teaches us that genuine dedication to one's craft can turn creativity into a lucrative venture, proving that success follows passion and perseverance. He also taught us that we can use social media to make our products go viral and also